Kalimera, my name's Gareth, this is Hikes and Flights, welcome to our channel, and today we're visiting Epidaurus, a medical spa in the Peloponnese, most famous for its theatre. So this site opens at 8 in the morning. We got here at about 8:45 again. And there's not many people here once again, so we're going to make the most of it. We're going to go and visit the famous theatre first, and then visit the rest of the site later. I wasn't prepared for the size, despite seeing this numerous times on YouTube. It's massive. The only real disadvantage of coming so early is the lack of sunlight on the rock. Nikki's climbing up to the top. We're going to test the famous acoustics of the theatre. The stories say that the actors down here would be able to talk in a normal voice, and yet people right at the top would still be able to hear them. Nikki, if you can hear me, give me a wave. You can probably hear me breathing now. I'm going to go to the very top. It's getting quite hard now to keep going. Wow. Please excuse my breathing. Almost at the top. Oh my goodness. Let's see the view. This place is absolutely enormous. This video cannot do it justice. It really is huge. Here comes the next challenge, going back down those stairs. As you can see, the sun soon comes round. Anyway, that's enough of the theatre. Let's get on and look at the rest of the site of the spa and the healing Temple of Asclepius. This is the accommodation block, so basically the hotel for the spa. So it's about 10:15 now. We've been here about an hour and it's still relatively empty. Behind me is the baths, about 300 BCE. Behind me you can see the stadium, and again, this video can't do justice to the size of that. Unfortunately, in my excitement, I left my water bottle in the car. Luckily, Nikki's got hers, but you're very exposed here, so don't make the same mistake I did. This is the building where sacrifices were made of animals, sheep, cows, goats. Here we have the Temple of Asclepius, who was a renowned healer in ancient Greece, and he became so good at his skill that the gods turned him into a god. And in fact, you may have noticed in hospitals on the side of ambulances, there's that rod with a snake wrapped around it. That's the rod of Asclepius, named after this god. Interestingly, it seems that people come to see the theatre and then don't bother with the rest of the healing spa. Their loss, I guess. We're going to go back up and see how many people are there now, plus it'll be fully illuminated. That's the end of our little tour here. Thanks for watching today. Hope you've really enjoyed it. Maybe it's inspired you to come to Epidaurus yourself in the Peloponnese, Greece. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this, please like and subscribe. And if you've already done that and you've been before, thanks very much.